Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach. I have close to 18 plus years of experience working in multiple MNCs around the globe and having in-depth knowledge of DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. So I would like to introduce you one certification program in a DevOps, and that is we call it DevOps Certified Professional. Now this is a 2 months of program, 25 tools of DevOps you will learn, and apart from that you will also get the access to the LMS, lifetime access to the videos portal. It's a certification program, and you will have 25 assignments and 2 projects along with it. It's a completely weekend program, so here you have classes on Saturday and Sunday. So as part of this course, you will learn multiple things. Here you see that you will learn Linux, AWS, Docker, Jira, Confluence, Python, Git with GitHub, SonarQube, Maven, Gradle, Packer, Artifactory, Selenium, JMeter, Ansible, Kubernetes, Helm, Terraform, Jenkins, Datadog, Splunk, and Neuralink. Now, how do we, apply for this? So how can you reach out to us? So you have a WhatsApp number and email ID. So please reach out to us, and we'll help you to onboard this program. Apart from this DevOps certified professional programs, we are offering other certifications as well in a DevSecOps, SRE, and one of the very comprehensive programs which we have is in Master in DevOps Engineering. Yeah, so feel free to get in touch with us and then enroll for it. Thank you. Okay, so now we have understood what exactly this graph and this graph. Now here, how many?
Rajesh,
Yeah, tell me.
recording is in going on, right?
Excuse me.
Recording.
Recordings. Yeah, I
Okay.
started it. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So now this graph, if you see that, this will tell you the number of users who has got the errors accessing your applications. So if I see from last 2 hours, I'll put it in 2 hours, 4 hours actually. And here, how many errors you have got it? So 400 is okay. I mean, 400 is also error. So 500 is also error. 501. Those three kind of error you got it. So here, these are the errors you see here. Total 11 errors you got it. And the rate of errors which you are getting per second is 0.1 per request per second. That's okay, still manageable. And here rate by version. So which version was not good? So here V2, if you see V1, we got few errors here, and V2 we got only one error. So that means V2 is doing well compared to the V1. And in fact, if you see that the types of errors, so here uh, 400x and 500x you got it, 501 you got it very little. So that way you can understand this. And now you have to find out why this error has come. So you go a little bit down, and here error tracking, you see the tab, here you have error tracking, and now these are the places you got the errors. So click on this, and you have to go and check that. See here, there's Java exceptions, null pointers and all. So this way you can click on this, and then you can deep dive more into that. So if you understand the little bit of Java, you'll understand this is error. Connection reset. So why connection reset means this is not an error, I would say. It's error has come because of I restarted my Tomcat. So because of that. So that is a kind of errors which you added. Okay, so this is the error and so on. So this way you can see that a request by errors by version, errors, errors per second by version, and here errors per second, and percentage of errors by version, and all stuff like that. Error rate also you will see there. So this way you will get some idea about it. Okay, what is the error, how to fix it, what kind of errors you are having, and so on. A dependency map, it will give you the for visualizations, which service is talking to which service here, and this is like a trace, multiple services, and what is the latency, what are the latency, what are the errors, and what are the number of requests per second and all, and response time. Now this same thing you have in a detailed manner in tab fashion. So here You can find out the resources. So here what the resources like which you have, see, these are the resources. Look at this, 18 resources right now I have used. In real time you'll be having hundreds of which. So here you will see the top 5 resources, top 5 request, top 5 request per second. Okay, so all these are self-explanatory. Now these are the resources. If you look at that, this one, which is the total traffic is 1.49 resources, 1.46, and the total time latency again, error rate which you have discussed, so that we understand this. Now here latency again at the resource level. So for top 5, top 10 all, so this is at the resource level. So you want to select the top 5, what are the latency for that, so you can check it out here. Here again for the top 5 resources, what are the error rates we have. This is the way. So these graphs are pre-populated, you don't have to design. It's basically give you complete idea about it, what exactly we are doing and stuff like that. Now this is, you can have a graph for deployment, and remember that I had two deployments right now. So version 1.0 and version 2.0, and you can see the same reports for the version by request for top 5 version 1 version 2, requests per second top 5 resources of version 1 version 2, and you see that. So this way you got again same thing, but this is with respect to the version. So top 5 version, top 10 version, all stuff like that, you can get it. Error tracking here, dedicated UI for that. So all this error tracking here you have it. And security is a new things which will monitor the security scanner. So right now there's no much vulnerability data is there. So at a high level, these are the request has come from these are the IPs, and three scanners are here. Top attacks attempted, so 3. So security scanner has detected some attack, maybe some IP address, they keep scanning and attack this, so like that. So here infrastructure which where you're running, so that is the something which you can get it. Right now it's not enabled, so you will have it. JVM metrics, if you're a Java developer you love this. All heap uses for your, for last 4 hours, non-heap uses, garbage collections, and all this stuff. You'll see that graph for last 4 hours for the overall applications. Continuous profiling, here you have it. We enable it, so you can find out. Continuous profiling will tell you what are the CPU, RAM, and all at every process internal to the code it has consumed. So you see that complete versions, language, runtime, cores. These are the CPU graph. These are the location bytes. These are heaps, lock, wait, version byte time, and all garbage collectors and all everything. This is the place we have all the traces which I've been showing you. Logs pattern is not enabled, so you'll not see that. So here, basically, your job is to find out the traces which is taking more time and troubleshoot. Your job is to find out errors and try to fix it. And your job is to find out abdex scores should be under control. Your job is to find out are we having any DDoS attack and all accordingly. And then you can do the stuff. Are you understanding, all of you? Hello? Yeah. Now this is the profiles. Same from here only this profile has come. So if you see that continuous profiling, con- here this profiling here. So same data you can see in the full view here. So if you're a Java developer, this will definitely help you. That the very detailed JVM, JSTAC level information. So you see that runtime environment, how much CPU has been taken, and Datadog, how much CPU has been taken. Tomcat you are running, how much CPU has been taken. Inside the Tomcat you are running small many utilities. See here. Um, uh, Look at this here. So all this thing they have a complete detailed about it, and each and every method you run, each and every classes you run, you can see at levels here. So and here you have a filters for it, in case if you have too many processes running and you want to filter by languages, filter by JVM matrices. These all are the JVM matrices, so this will helpful for Java developers. And Go matrices. Go matrices. Why we have it? Any idea why we have a Go matrices? Why we have a Go matrices? Because agent is developed in Golang, where it's Tomcat and Java you are running with the JVM. So like that, two matrices are there. So yeah, here you have a profile, CPU time, approx CPU cost, world time, and many other profiling you have here. And these are the methods which you can check this out: method, class, file, package, lines of code, and 100% profiling and stuff like that. You can see that. Okay, so any idea, any questions on this front, all of you?
No.
Okay, so now what I want to all of you, each and every graph, just spend some time, first look at it, and if you are not able to understand that, just ask for the questions. I'll help you with that. Okay, go ahead, it's your time now.
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.